Centering text in Google Sheets is a quick formatting change that makes your data look tidier, and it only takes a couple of clicks. All you need is a spreadsheet with some content in it, like the sales data shown on screen here. Start by selecting the cell whose text you want to center, which in this case is a category entry in the table. Once the cell is selected, its contents appear in the formula bar, confirming you've picked the right one. If you find this kind of quick tip helpful, give the video a like. With the cell highlighted, head up to the Formatting toolbar and open the Horizontal Align menu. The drop-down shows 3 choices: left, center, and right, which control where the text sits inside the cell. Choose the middle icon to center the text, and the menu closes as the change takes effect right away. The text in the selected cell now sits in the middle instead of hugging the left edge. That's the whole process. Select a cell, open the alignment menu, and pick center. The same steps work on any cell or range, so you can center entire columns of data in one go if you like. Thanks for watching, and if you want more quick spreadsheet tips, subscribe to the channel.